Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to set up a Printify store on your Wix website step by step so that you can start selling print on demand products easily. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try Printify or Wix for yourself, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for wix.com. You need to first of all sign up for a free account here on Wix. If you already have an account, you just have to provide your login credentials and log in into your Wix account. Now this is going to be your Wix dashboard. Over here, simply hover over to the top and click on the name of your profile here. Now click on the option of create new site. Once you do this, it is going to ask you whether you want to create a website with the help of AI or you want to set it up without chat. So here select the option of setup without chat. After that, among the given options, simply select the option of online store in general. But if your store is in specific niche, like if it is in the clothes niche, drum niche, or any other niche, you can also select the niche specific template here. For now, I'm going to be selecting online store, then press continue here in the bottom. Now it is going to take some time in preparing your dashboard, so you just have to wait for some time until it do so. Until then, you just have to come back here on this page. Now you need to hover over to the apps section, then click on the option of app market. Over here in the app market, if you just use the search bar and if you search for Printify, you are going to find it over here. So once you are able to find it, simply click on Printify. Then you just have to wait for some time until you see the option of add to website available. So for this, Wix store is required. So our store is now going to be ready. First of all, you need to give your store name. Then simply press continue here in the bottom. After that, select whether you are already into the online store or you are getting started absolutely new. Then you just have to select the option and press continue here in the bottom. You can select what you are selling here, whether it is physical product or a digital product. Then you can select the option that are given over here. Now click on the option of continue to dashboard, and there you go, our website is ready. Now you just have to refresh this page so that it could show you the add to site option. Once you see the add to site option, you just have to click on it and Printify basically will be added in your Wix website. Now once this step is done, you just have to open a new tab, and there you just have to simply log in into your Printify account. Now you can also log in here with the help of the Wix website option. Like when you click on the option of add to site, it is automatically going to redirect on the Printify account of yours. But if that doesn't work, you can just open a new tab and search for printify.com. Over here you can sign up absolutely for free and log in into your Printify dashboard. Once you are in, you can basically go to the catalog section and browse through thousands of products like t-shirts, sportswear, bottoms, anything that you like. And then you can just simply click on that product and start creating that product. For example, let's say I've selected this particular product, so you can click on it and click on the option of start designing. Now you can upload your own designs over here in the PNG format. Then you can adjust its placement. You can also use AI in order to create the designs for you. Then you will have all of your images that you have uploaded here in the right hand section, so you can use that too. Basically you will have to start designing your product and see how it is going to look. Once it is done, simply click on the option of preview, or if you see that this is your final product, you can just simply click on the option of save the template and save it first. You can also add the text, resize the images, and switch the product color. So once you are done, simply publish this particular product that you have created in Printify. Now as soon as you publish your product here on Printify, If it is already connected with your Wix website, it will show up here on your Wix store. So you can come over here and take a look at your Wix store. It will come over here. So in the store page, you will see the product is imported from Printify. So this way you will be able to set up Printify store with Wix in just a few minutes. Now you can also add your own domain if you want to on your store, and you can also follow these steps in order to basically set up your store fully here on Wix. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.